All right, wow. He on the go. He is on the go. It's a wrap. It's official. It's time to get the gates.
More gates.
Time to put the plugs in the sockets. The little child safety plugs in the sockets.
Yes, sir. What do you need?
Well, go
What?
ahead and pull up then.
Who is that? Who is that?
Is that Joe?
What are you trying to get from me for?
No, stay right there, JoJo. Come back.
He trying to pull up on you.
No.
No, he's trying to get the
Now he
dryer
trying to.
sheet that his sisters dropped on the floor. Come back, Corey.
We can't go over there by ourselves.
Okay.
Corey.
Come back some, Joe.
Correll. Come here. Corey.
No.
Corey.
Come back, fat baby. Yep, come this way. Stay right there, Joe. No, stay right there. Don't move. He gonna stand up.
No, he gonna fall over by that table. Get him away from there.
I'm gonna stand right there. You gotta stand still.
My light leaving me.
See?
My middle finger.
You cannot walk, Corell. You can't just pick up off.
And you just learned how to crawl.
He said you just learned to crawl. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say to Daddy. Say hi.
What's up, man?
Say hi, Daddy. No,
Hello. What's happening, Corey?
JoJo.
Aw, he love his bro.
You gotta get on your knees so he can give you a hug. That's what he wants you to do. You give JoJo a hug?
Aw. Love his big bro. He ready to eat. You ready for that good breakfast, huh?